easy dessert. No bake. You can do it even here at the shed.
You're watching Channel Juan Kitchen and Garden, a channel dedicated to garden to plate experience. In this channel we grow, cook and share. Let's join Romilo at the garden. Welcome to Channel Juan and welcome to my shed. It's raining outside and I have to make a dessert. We don't have proper baking equipment here, so this is a no-bake cake. And you might not believe, but it's very simple. I think 10 minutes is all that we need. It's very simple that the ingredients are all contained in the pan. All these things that we need. I'll show you the ingredients one by one. We need 1 1/4 regular flour or ordinary flour, sugar, 1/4, more than that, 1/4 and 2 tablespoons, 1 egg, just 1 egg, butter, 2 tablespoons, pineapple, slices, and vanilla. What else? Okay, I lied, there are 2 more. Oil and milk. You can find the proportions in the description box, but we can start. As always, it's about mixing the... Did I mention about the... I think I forgot the baking powder. As always, it's about mixing the dry ingredients. That's the first thing that we do. That sounds like a proper baking, but it's easy. Well, I changed my mind. I think it's better to work on the pineapple first. We need 2 tablespoons of butter. And caramelized sugar, just 2 tablespoons. And we simply fry the pineapple slices. There's an option here if you want it to be more decorative, add cherries, candied cherries. There's water in it, I'll drink this later. I turned off the flame. I ran short. There's more. Let's keep this at low flame. We'll just have to cook this until it turns brown on the other side. I mean the bottom side turns brown. While waiting for this, we can work on the dry ingredients. Now it sounds like a real baking. As I promised, this is easy and I don't have the proper equipment or utensils, so I just mix them here. I'll add sugar. I need 1/4 cup. This should be 1/4. This is baking powder. And a pinch of salt will help enhance the flavor, just a pinch. Meanwhile, let's check the pineapples. Do you like that? Not yet. As it appears, we need high flame for this. How about working on the wet ingredients now? The oil.
egg, what else do I need? Milk. I'm not sure if this is 1/3, so I'll just add the rest if it turns out to be dry. I don't even have a proper mixer. What else do I need? Vanilla. Let's add the vanilla. 1 tablespoon at most. Correction, that was 1 teaspoon. Let's turn this off and let's set this to a side. Where? I don't have a space. My Manang Grace is here. What's that, Manang? That's too much.
Baileys.
Baileys. Wait, I think I'll add this to the recipe. Manang Grace, come here. Grip them.
Hello, I'm here. Hello.
Okay. Nagod mo, no?
That's good. Lak jij het?
What?
Ik heb lekker eten. Channel Juan, chef cook.
By the way, this was pinatisang manok. Yeah, kinamatisang manok. And yeah, if you're interested how this was cooked, there's been a video posted about this or on this. It's in the description box and also above. I don't know where, but it's above elsewhere.
It's above.
Okay, now let's work on the butter. Here. Hey. Now to the flame, at low flame, for 5 minutes. Yeah, 5 minutes. The steam also helps in cooking it. That's why I am putting the lid on. Not even a proper lid, but this helps. While waiting for 5 minutes, I might as well tell you a story, or I'd like to invite you to the other channel, and we better talk about it outside. I'm sure if you like cooking and gardening, you love tulips, and there's a one season tulip event here in the Netherlands. It's the Cooking Half. The park is open only for barely 2 months, and it's been closed for the past 2 years, so it's a rare opportunity to see the tulips, which I'm sharing to you. Links to the video in the description box. And I have 3 episodes of full tour to the park. It's the biggest in the world. Sharing here. I'm just going to prepare this. I'm going to apply butter to keep the other side from sticking. I need this for turning it over later. It's been 5 minutes. Look, it should move like this. That's not yet good. More time. Back to the pan. Another 5 minutes. This time low flame under.
I'm sure this is done. Look at this. How about that? Let's serve it. Again. Yeah. Imagine this. Look at this colors. Done here in my shed. Very easy. Let's call Manang Grace. Manang! May kanta kita mo. Manang Grace comes. Kunti pa na.
What is that?
Kita mo.
Surprise!
Surprise. Hindi pa kita kanya. So as promised, easy dessert. No bake. You can do it even here at the shed. Thank you for joining me here today at the garden for this quick and easy no-bake dessert. More simple and fun dishes here on Channel 1 where we grow, cook and share. See you on the next video.